Using guide. There are 3 buttons and a temperature display window on the control panel. Press the light button to turn on or turn off the interior LED light. After the power is connected, the screen will display the current temperature inside the machine. Use the plus and minus buttons to set the desired temperature between the range of 40 Fahrenheit to 61 Fahrenheit. When the temperature is being set, the display will flash. After a few seconds, it will revert to its current internal temperature readings. The digital display readings will adjust as the unit cools. While the unit is adjusting to the new settings, press the plus or minus button to view the selected temperature settings. To remove or replace a full-width slide-out shelf, you can gently tilt the shelf up and slide forward until the shelf has been completely removed. To replace the shelf, gently slide the shelf back. If you notice that the wine cooler isn't cooling properly, touch the side panel to check whether it feels warm. Then report the issue to the after-sales service team. To defrost the wine cooler, unplug the power cord and wait for the frost inside to melt into water. Remove the shelves and wipe the interior dry with a paper towel